This is the Ashcroft Indian Band cooking show. Welcome back to show 2 of season 2. Today we're going to make some chicken burgers. Sort of healthy. Going with the chicken theme again. So what I do is we get some chicken breasts and I will pound them so that they're flatter, kind of an equal thickness throughout, so that you have even cooking. You can do these on a barbecue or on your grill. On there, Jodine's gonna slice up the toppings. We're gonna add a little bit of seasoning. Alright, so you can season with whatever seasonings you like, some garlic, some chicken spice, some fajita spice, whatever you like, salt and pepper. I like the garlic and red pepper flakes, it's really good. Alright, so this will just take a little bit to grill. Some nice marks on there, nice flavor. Season the one side, and then when we flip it over, we'll season the other side as well. And you like, throw it on there. I've removed the chicken. And now we're going to grill up some vegetables. Peppers. We're just going to get those sliced up.
Oh, you're grilling the peppers? I thought they were for my veggie tray.
No! No big deal.
Here's the mushrooms.
Awesome, thank you. Let's see how this goes. So, we've got the chicken all nicely grilled and cooked through. We're just got a few buns in the oven, getting them a little bit crisped up. If you have room on your grill.
Like funny.
Sorry. This is where we like to spread rumors on this show. Joe's got buns in the oven. It's twins. All right, and then we shall assemble. Okay, so now we're gonna assemble one of these bad boys. Oh, I did it again, didn't I?
That's okay.
I said bad boys. Okay.
Take whatever one you want. Is that one?
Yeah, these are toasted a little bit here. So it depends on what you like. You can get whatever kind of toppings. Put some mayo on here. And at that point too, you could have, if you want your cheese a little bit melted, you could have stuck it on top of your chicken. There's any cheese left. Take this one here. Alright, so I would have done that, and if you have a cover, do that. Okay, and we'll stick the on there, and then whatever toppings you like. And there you go, people.
That looks pretty good.
Delicious.